Cheers to the holiday season. You know, I love Christmas and it has great meaning to me. Like spending time covering breaking news and making double time and a half. Sure, I'd love to open gifts with my family on Christmas Day, but that's not how this business works. My family knows that and they're comfortable with my priorities. Plus, we're gonna have a real wonderful dinner together on the 28th. Also, I love the traditions of the season. With my busy schedule, it's nice that I can order a pre-decorated fresh-cut tree, have it delivered and assembled right here in our living room. And how about these great ornaments they provided? Like this one, Chrissy. Whoever that is, I'm sure she's wonderful. And I hope you're wonderful this holiday season as well. Peace, love, and good looks from Gary Vosant and all of us here at News Action News.